Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your mobile data limit on Honor 200 Lite. You can change your data limit by going to Settings, then Mobile Network, Data Usage, More Data Settings, and here you can click on Monthly Data Limit and set it to a certain value. You can also change units to megabytes or gigabytes. I'm gonna choose gigabytes. 7. OK. I can set start date. For example, 12th. And this means that on the 12th day of month, the data limit will be renewed. You can enable usage reminders, and you can enable lock screen data usage reminder. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.